Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please consider subscribing. So today I want us to make a basic vanilla cake. These are the ingredients: 3/4 cup ground or powdered sugar, 3 eggs at room temperature. We have half a cup of warm milk. We'll also need a teaspoon of vanilla essence. For the raising agents, we'll require a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, that is bicarbonate of soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. A pinch is equal to 1/8 of a teaspoon. Here we have a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Here I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use ordinary cooking oil. We also need a cup of all-purpose flour. So let's get straight into preparation. I start by sieving half the flour, the raising agents, and the remaining of the flour. So sift that together, to incorporate enough air and to eliminate lumps also. So give that a quick mix, put aside, and whisk the eggs and sugar. So I'm now putting in my sugar. I have grinded my sugar so as to make it easy to dissolve and make my work easier. After proper whisking, then we add in the vanilla essence. I used a teaspoon of the vanilla essence. Whisked that a bit, then added my oil. I used a 1/4 cup of oil. So now my egg mix is ready. Here it is. I have the warm milk and the flour mix. So I'm adding in a little flour, alternating with some milk. I mix that gently, up until I finish the flour mix and the milk. So make sure you combine properly and end up with a smooth batter. Here I have my baked tin ready, lined with a parchment paper at the base and greased with oil at the sides. So this one is going to the oven. I'm going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. And your cake will be done. There we go, my cake is ready. It's cool and it has baked evenly and has attained a very nice and attractive uniform color. So you can slice it and serve it any way you like it. Take it with milk, tea, juice, or anything. And that's it for today, guys. So as always, thank you so much for clicking onto my video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscription button. And that's it for now. See you in my next video. Bye.